Hello, today we are looking at 9 best Electrician WordPress themes. All these themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 9. Repairer. Repairer is a handyman services WordPress theme usable for air conditioning, auto mechanic, laundry, and painter websites. The theme is beautiful and unique, making it an excellent option for displaying your company's products or services online. Number 8. Electroserve. Electroserve is an electrical repair service WordPress theme featuring design and functionalities suitable for carpentry, construction, corporate, and building websites. This theme provides a seamless user experience for mobile users. All the scrollable sections of the site can be accessed by swiping. Even the sliders, Slider Revolution and Swiper Slider, have been responsively designed. Number 7. Estan. Estan is a house renovation maintenance WordPress theme that is suitable for business, handyman, plumbing, and roofing websites. With this theme, you can display multiple locations, create custom styles, and even translate Google Maps into other languages if necessary. Number 6. Renovation. Renovation is a home maintenance WordPress theme that is suitable for company, construction, repair, and renovation websites. You will also receive WP Bakery in this theme, which provides a drag-and-drop editor and will enhance the efficiency of managing content. Number 5. Electrician. Electrician is an electricity services WordPress theme that can be used for repairer, business, mechanic, and engineering websites. With this theme, you will have a beautiful website, and both the design and functionality will save you time and make a great first impression on your visitors. Number 4. Mr. Watt. Mr. Watt is an electrician services WordPress theme suitable for construction, business, mechanic, and repair websites. You can create all types of web pages you require, including a portfolio module, animations on headers, unlimited color combinations, a responsive menu, and top bars. Number 3. Windfall. The Windfall is a harmonious electrician services WordPress theme that is ideal for company, plumbing, handyman, and renovation websites. This theme offers WooCommerce functionality. You wish to run a website as an online store and sell electrical appliances and other products. If this interests you, we invite you to see it for yourself. Number 2. Electrician. Electrician is an electricity services WordPress theme that can be used for repairer, business, mechanic, and engineering websites. With this theme, you will have a beautiful website, and both the design and functionality will save you time and make a great first impression on your visitors. Number 1. Handyman. Handyman is a WordPress barber and carpenter services theme designed for repair, shop, painter, and renovation websites. This theme is not only powered by Contact Form 7 but also features intelligent theme options that can be used to customize nearly everything on your website. This electrical company's WordPress theme is highly intuitive, so it is easy to customize all components of your website. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes. If you have any experience with these themes, leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.